Hi guys, good evening to everyone. Now is September 29, 2024, Sunday. And September na guys, so ber month na. So nag-uumpisa na ang Pasko. So an early Merry Christmas sa ating lahat sa buong mundo. So take care po kayo always guys. So guys, again guys, evening na naman. So it's about time to feed my koi fishes. It's about time to eat their dinner meal. So without further ado guys, what are we waiting for guys? Let's feed them. Oh, as you can see guys, oh. Tingnan nyo sila guys, oh. Nagwi-wait na sila nga papakainin ko. So let's feed them and let's do it guys. So on your mark, get set and go. Timer starts now. Let's get the party started. Sige, mag-party na kayo mga pets ko, mga koi fishes ko. So look at them guys, oh. Oh. So guys, diba guys? Diba guys? Totoo naman talaga na ano, mga stress reliever sila, di ba? So kasi may kasabihan guys na ang mga koi fishes daw guys ay mga fortune, mga lucky charm, nagbibigay daw ng swerte sa atin. And one more thing guys, ang mga koi fishes guys ay mga stress relievers. Gradually or dahan-dahan nilang kinukuha ang mga stress natin. So isn't it amazing? Isn't it surprising? Isn't it exciting? Can't you see? Can you imagine? I'm just joking guys. Guys, oh, tingnan nyo sila guys, oh. Oh, kumakain. At saka ano guys, ang ginagamit ko na submersible pump guys, ha, nandyan sa link ko. Ang tipid-tipid ng kumain ng kuryente, pero ang lakas-lakas niyang mag-vacuum at ang lakas-lakas niyang mag-water pulse. At sa sobrang lakas niya, ang dami-daming bubbles na nakikreate niya at the same time at ang dami-dami ding mag-breathe in na oxygen ng mga koi fishes ko. So look at guys, oh. Yan. Oh, look at guys, oh. Ang lakas-lakas. So ayan guys, ang ganda nila guys, no? At saka ang UV light ko guys, oh. Ang filtration system ko glass guys. Pinaglass ko para magandang tingnan. At saka nilagyan ko ng UV light, yung color violet na ilaw na nagpapalinaw ng tubig. Yan guys, oh. Yan. 4 watts lang yan guys. Ang tipid sa kuryente, pero ang ganda ng quality. So tingnan nyo ang mga koi fishes ko guys, oh. Yan guys. At i-on natin yung air pump ko guys, ha. I-on natin yung air pump ko. Oh. Oh, naka-on na. Tingnan nyo guys, oh. Oh. Ang lakas ng hangin guys. Oh. 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 Guys, ang lakas ng hangin. 18 watts lang siya guys, honestly guys. Ang ganda ng quality. At saka durable pa. At affordable pa. Nandyan sa link ko guys. So guys, as you can see guys, oh, nakikita nyo naman. So what you see is what you get, nothing more, nothing less. Walang labis, walang kulang. Believe me or not guys, totoo talaga ang mga sinasabi ko. Sa maniwala kayo at sa hindi. Yan guys. Yan. So yan guys, oh, tingnan nyo sila guys, oh. At saka ano guys, kung gusto nyo sa mga products na nire-recommend ko guys, without further ado guys, what are you waiting for guys? Just trust me and just click my link. At doon nyo makikita kung ano ang brand ng product na ginagamit ko, kung ilang watts siya, at kung magkano ang price niya. So I think for this time guys, hanggang dito muna lang tayo. At sa lahat ng mga friends ko, at sa lahat ng mga followers ko, lalo na sa mga taong walang sawang nag-watch ng mga short videos ko, take care po kayong lahat, and God bless sa ating lahat, or God bless us all. That's all. Bye bye, good evening. Ay, by the way guys, by the way, ito pala yung indoor na series namin. Yan. Yan. Isasali ko na lang yan, guys. At saka yung series namin sa labas. Yan, guys, oh. Tingnan nyo, guys, oh. 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 Ang Christmas lights namin, guys, nandyan sa link ko, guys. Affordable lang yan, guys. Yan, guys. Tingnan nyo, guys, oh. Yan. Oh. Ang ganda, 'di ba, guys? At saka guys? Yung Christmas tree namin sa loob, buy one take one 'yon. At saka isasali na lang natin yung solar light din 'yan. Isasali natin, guys, yung solar light namin, buy one take one with remote, with solar, with panel, at saka buy one take one siya at affordable lang siya. I-zoom natin, guys. Oh. Yan, guys, oh. Buy one take one with remote, with solar panel. Yan, buy one take one yan. With panel, with remote, buy one take one. At ang solar lights namin, guys, oh. Oh, at ang isa yon, guys, nandoon sa malayo ang isa. So, ayan, guys. Oh. Nandiyan, oh. Buy one take one yan, guys. Buy one take one with remote, with panel, at affordable pa. So, tingnan nyo ang mga lights namin, guys, oh. Nandiyan sa link yan, guys. Affordable lang. Oh. Yan, guys, oh. Okay. So, balik tayo sa loob. O, tingnan nyo, Christmas tree namin, guys, oh. Yan. Buy one take one yan. Buy one take one. Tapos, white ang isa, green ang isa. At tapos, yung Christmas lights, nandyan din sa link. So, yan, guys. Yan. So, yan, guys. So, I think for this time, guys, hanggang dito muna lang tayo. At saka, take care po kayong lahat.